I'm in my empty studio and I just finished clearing a path to the mailbox and a path for my front door, so maybe I will get UPS or FedEx. The ice is about that thick in between layers of snow, and it wasn't easy. And I promised to make a video for this morning, didn't get to it. So I'm going to try and experiment with a new stand I have and see how it works. I'm just going to lift this same stand up and show my hands and show you what's in this great pack that are just for VIP people. Next week we're having a workshop. I will post the workshop on this little site, the VIP site, and you're welcome to join me, but you have to get your kit from Close to My Heart and become a VIP, official VIP. You'll always be my VIP, but in order to be able to qualify for this kit. So this is the kit. I'm not sure how it's going to show otherwise, but we will give it a try by lifting up my computer. Let's see how this goes. So I'm not sure what'll be up and what'll be down, but let's give it a try. As you can see, this is my, let's see, can't get it in focus. This is my little craft room. And I've been working really hard at getting organized. See, I have a new shelf there, but this is where I relax. This is my sort of scrap box tower, and this is where I play. So let's see what it does. And that's my new stand. But I'm not sure how to do it one-handed, so I'll give it a try. Let me see. Make sure here. There we go. I don't think it's going to be high enough. It needs to be quite a bit higher. So I'm used to one that goes on top of my desk. I know. Okay. Let's give it a try on top of my ink containers. Let's see how that goes. Alright, experiment over. I still have a shiny light there, but maybe once we get it out of the plastic it'll be better. I really like the colors of this set, and totally in love with the stickers and the stamps. This workshop is not only making scrapbook pages, it is also making cards. So it comes with card kits, card blanks, and envelopes. Nice quality. Also comes with placeholders in case you don't have photos made yet. And look at the colors. This is really sweet. The brown just works really well with the soft green and the yellow. Make me smile. Oh, happy day. Living my best life. Very sweet. Now here's the stamp set. And I don't know if you've worked with Close to My Heart stamps before. I know some of you are new to Close to My Heart. But anything in the catalog that's a line drawing is a stamp set, a clear acrylic stamp set. And this has some really cute ones. I just like the word currently. We are so good together. You're some kind of wonderful. Nice border. Love and miss you. Very cute stamp set. The story of us. So these are just the cardstocks that come with it that coordinate. I think this might be a mix-in kit. I'm not sure. It might even be a special edition. Let's see. It says, nope, it's mix-in. January, February mix-in. So the stamp and the stickers are custom for our class. But these look like there are mix-ins. Lots of happy home and family words. Stars and hearts combined with happy bliss, family, love. Oh, nice grid. I like this grid too. Well, that's good to know. Maybe I'll order another mix-in case I want to make extra pages. You know, there's always leftovers, and it's fun to make more pages than what you do in a workshop. Nice sleeve pattern. And polka dot patterns. So that's about it. That's our new exciting workshop. And I really like the stamps. So that's my mini video. Let's see. I think I will turn it back to me. Just talk a minute. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. I had lots of references, and I'm glad you joined the group. And it's really kind of lonely in this room. And that's why I still do workshops online. I'm used to having people come on in every Thursday physically, and this past year has been hard with only having Zoom meetings. But Zoom meetings are better than no meetings. So every Thursday morning at 11 a.m., please feel free to sign in and join me. I will leave a link to the Zoom under this little mini video. And thanks for putting up with me while I try to figure out this new frame iPad holder and see how that works. So next time I hope to be a little smoother so it won't be jerky, but I like to be able to trade from in full person to my hand view. So have a great week, be creative, and tomorrow is Thursday. So after I finish my Friendship International class at 11 a.m., I switch to the chat and encouragement time, craft time, at 11 till people get tired or hungry. So please feel free to join me even if you don't know me. And I look forward to getting to know you. God bless.